Okay, welcome back guys. Right, in the Vice we have a zone, a rim, 5-pin. It's come to me by way of Tensile Spider. Thank you very much, Tensile Spider, for passing this on. I haven't touched it. This will be the first attempt at picking this, so we'll see what happens. We'll see. Right, so pin 3 feels like he wants a little click. I'm using a Gozo hook. Had my Gozo set come through today. I ordered a set off of the website as soon as they were doing us a good deal. 10 quid, whatever it was. £10 plus postage. I thought that was quite a good deal. Right, so that's pin 5. Where are we? Come on, puppy. Pin 1 that was. Don't know what one that was. I think that was pin 2. That was pin 5 again. Come on, baby. What's going on here? This should be open by now. Oh, right, that was a false, got a good, nice false set now. So where are we? 1 feels set, 2 feels set, 3 feels set, 4 feels set. So we must be at the back. There we go. We were at the back, and now we're open. That's nice. I like that. Didn't take too long. Wow, shall I get it? Oh, what's the time? No, it's 2:30 in the morning. I might gut this another time, guys. So, hope you enjoyed that. It's just a fairly quick one. See you later. Bye.